today. Birds, they sing their tales of distant lands. In this meadow here I take my stand. Dreamer in the meadow, heart so pure, lost in thoughts where dreams they do endure. Flowers bloom in colors bright and wild. Here I am forever, nature's child. Gentle streams beside me softly flow, secrets that the ancients only know. Dancing with the shadows of the trees, nature's tune, it brings me to my knees. Moonlight covers everything in grace. Nighttime's dreams, they find a sacred space. Crickets sing their lullaby so sweet. Here in this meadow, nature and I meet. Dreamer in the meadow, heart so pure, lost in thoughts where dreams they